Christina.
And my name is Lubo.
And today we're going to be showing you how to make donuts.
This is a really easy and yummy recipe to make.
Kids can make it too.
Not only the kids like them, but the grown-ups do too.
So let's get started. The ingredients we'll be needing are
1½ cups of flour,
1 cup of sugar,
3/4 cup of milk,
half a teaspoon of salt,
1½ teaspoons of baking powder,
1 egg,
and lastly 125 grams of softened butter,
which is about 1 stick and 1 more tablespoon.
Mix in all the dry ingredients and then add the butter, milk, and egg.
Make the donuts.
You can use a donut maker like we are and bake to 3 to 4 minutes or until golden brown.
Don't worry if you don't have one.
You can either use a donut pan or put your batter into a piping bag and do little circles on your cookie sheet.
If you're using a donut pan or a cookie sheet, there isn't an exact baking time.
You just bake them until golden brown on 375 degrees.
The donuts are done baking. Let's take them out.
Careful, they're hot.
It's time to decorate the donuts.
You can decorate them any way you want.
But we're decorating them with some Cool Whip
and crushed candy canes.
Time for the tasties. Mmm.
And we're out.